Okay, so we're not wanting evading. They're not.
Shots fired. Male, white, gray, off, Harley. Gray and black shirt. Off. Here, Harley.
Drop the gun! Drop
Here.
the gun!
Drop it!
Drop it!
Here. Don't do that! Don't do it, sir! No!
Drop
Don't
it.
do it! Don't do it!
it.
Here. Don't do it! Please give it up, sir!
Please,
Come on, we can work with detectives, dude. We can work with detectives. Hey, stop walking towards us. Come on, back.
Put the gun down! Put the gun
Don't
down!
do it! Come on! We can work with detectives, dude. It don't have to be your charge, man. Whatever you got. If you don't, it's fine. Okay, put the gun down, dude. You haven't done anything too bad. Come on, stay where you're at, man.
Put the gun down.
Drop it.
It doesn't have to be like this.
Come on, man. No, we don't want to.
I don't want to do that.
That's your only option then.
No.
I don't want to do that.
Dude, you're not in that much trouble. Drop it.
Is that much trouble?
No. It's just evading, dude. Come on.
Come on, man.
Drop it. Back up. He might start running us over. Come on.
1044, he's trying to back up in the vehicle. He has a gun. 10-4 still
Back
has
up
a
to your
gun.
unit. Back up to your unit. Come on. Get covered. Get covered. Harley, load it up. Load it up. Okay, he's turning around. Oh, go ahead. Come on.
544, he's trying to turn around and come back towards us.
You gotta hurry. He's
Kind
gonna
of
back
rear
out.
directly in front of the Joy James and
He's got a gun on
National
him.
Leadership. I'm going to go
He's holding a
inside
gun to
after
his
they
head.
go on a lockdown.
He's about to get out. He's coming out.
Forward 911, what's the address to the emergency?
I'm the guy having the standoff with the police.
Slow down.
I'm sorry, what's going on?
I'm having a standoff with the police.
Okay. Why are you having a standoff with the police?
It's a long story, but it's happening, and I'm trying to get a hold of my mom. She was in the house. I let her out so that she could go be with the police.
Okay.
And now they won't let me call her. I want to talk to her because they're sending this SWAT here to kill me. So I'd like to talk to my mother. I won't let her answer her phone.
Okay. Listen to me. I need you to stay on the phone with me, okay? Hang on 1 second. Don't go anywhere. All right? Okay. Stay calm. Just be with me, all right? I'm going to try to help you out, all right?
Stay calm. SWAT's going to come in here. They're strapped in the front yard.
They're doing what?
The SWAT team is going to come in the house to kill me.
Okay, well, don't try to comply with what they're telling you to do.
No, I'm not doing that. That's the issue. I'm not going back to prison for the rest of my life. I'll fucking kill myself first.
You need to put the gun down so we can resolve this peacefully, Nick. Just drop the weapon.
We need to take
Stop
him
right
with
there, Nick. Do not keep moving forward. We need you to drop the gun. Stop. Do not move. Nick, drop the gun, Nick.
front door.
Nick, come out over here, towards your left-hand side. Put your weapon down. We do not want to hurt you, Nick. Put your gun down. We do not want to hurt you, Nick. But we need you to put that gun down, buddy. Okay? We are not trying to hurt you. We're trying to resolve this peacefully. We need you to put that weapon down. You need to put the gun down so we can resolve this peacefully, Nick.
He's saying not gonna happen.
Drop the weapon. Stop right there, Nick. Do not keep moving forward. We need you to drop the gun. Stop. Do not move. Nick, drop the gun, Nick.